Okay. Without even a shadow of a doubt, this one, the V11, has completely surpassed the suction power. Hello and welcome. Yes, that is right. I am reviewing the Dyson V11 Absolute. Now, you may well remember me from a previous episode of the Dyson Ball. That is right. You can see your dirt, you dirty people. However, as you may notice, I have given that up. And instead, I have traded in for no other than this long stick. Why, I hear you ask? Well, it's convenient and it's easy. But without further ado, let's unbox this baby. Now, one thing I must tell you is I'm all about the bargains. I'm all about the Black Friday sales, the Cyber Monday sales, the Saturday Fun Day sales, whatever it is. So I grabbed this beauty, $400 off the regular retail price. Yes, that is right. I will send you a link in the description below if you choose to follow my footsteps, because you can spend that $400 on some Coco Chanel instead. No one does it quite like Coco Chanel. Okay, so now let's take a look and see what is inside this beautiful box. Ooh! Wow! So, scan your phone with the QR, and might I add one more little thing, is that this comes with an $89 extra toolkit. That is right, there is a special on right now. So here you have the usual manuals, but girls like me know exactly how to use a stick. And so we take a look inside and we see the firm bristles for those hard to reach areas in your car. We see that you have got a few extra pieces as well. Namely, you have this super long piece for those hard to reach areas. And you also have this funky piece, which I'm not too sure what it is, but it looks like it's doing something. Well, Dyson, you never cease to amaze me. But enough about that, let's take a look inside the box. Oh, that's right. Wrapped up inside this piece of paper is the beautiful, the one, the only. Oh, look at that. Just take a look at that color. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Now I definitely know that I'm in town because I got this big blue thing in my hand. I like it. It's nice. I'm excited. Got the docking. Got something to add your accessories to. We've got the docking portal for all you people out there who've got a bigger house than mine. You can just hang it on the wall for charging. And we've also got the piece de la résistance. We have, oh la la, there's so much in this box. I'm going to turn French now. There's so much value for money. Okay. Before we get to the piece de la résistance, I want to show you something. This is none other than the soft ball round roly-poly machine. Look at that. Just take a look at those colors. Oh, France, you'll be proud of me. I actually don't know what the French national anthem is, but bonsoir, mon ami. This is your Francais colors and even your British colors as well. God save the Queen. But this one works on your hard surfaces. What is this? Oh, baby. Some more, I hear you ask. Okay, this is it. This is your high torque machine. This is the one that's going to give you carpets, high pile, low pile, medium pile, and also hard surfaces as well. Now, I hear you asking out there, what is the difference between the Dyson V11 Torque and the Dyson V11 Absolute? Well, my friends, it is this. You get this on the Absolute and just this with the Torque. So if you've got hard surfaces, well, this will do the trick. But if you really want to be extra, you can get this as well. Okay. Oh, my darlings. Wait. Here we have it. The piece that we call the Dyson V11, darling. Yes, look at that. It's got a larger than life canister. It has got a humongous canister. It has got a HEPA filter. What does that mean? Well, it means high efficiency particulate air. So it takes out the dust, the pollen, the crap that is in your carpets, and it pushes out cleaner air for you to breathe. Thank you, Dyson. And of course, we've got the trigger. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, baby, it is on. And the way that we take it apart is you basically drop this down. And girls, you'll remember this from last time. You press down and you clip it together and out goes your dust. And look at that, you can clean it, easy access. There is no need, and I will show you what I mean with my V6, there's no need to take it apart. It is all in one piece. Now, you will notice one small thing is this Dyson has a screen. Over here, I will charge it up and I will show you. There are 3 different modes. There is the eco mode, there is the auto mode, which is the medium mode, and there is the boost mode, which is for those super, super, super boosts. So when you want that bass down low and you want to really suction it all up, it will just last for 10 minutes. That is right. Now, I hear you asking, you want to see it in action, right? Well, that is true, but there's one final thing I need to show you, and it is the cord. That is right, Dyson are so generous with their cords that they give you over a meter's worth of cabling. Yes, that is right. So for all you people out there who need to charge it up away from a charging point, you have got a long cable, so there is no excuse not to keep your vacuum charged. Oh yeah, okay, this is it. This is it. Let's just check there's nothing in here. Oh my God, what is this? There is another piece. Oh, look at this, Dyson. I love you so much. I don't even know what this is for, but I love the fact that it's existing because why the hell not? Wait, there's more. There is more. Oh my God, there is another brush. This is a softer bristle. So for those of you out there who want to do a bit of dusting, this is ideal for you. Whereas if you want to get down and dirty and you want to scrub away, this is the one you're after. All right, so let's move this to one side. And with every Dyson, there is a nice satisfactory click when you click it into place. Just listen. Oh, it sounds so beautiful. Now I'm going to be putting on my beautiful big rolling machine because I've got a medium pile rug. Are you ready? Let's click it again. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now it's time to have some fun. Yes. Okay, I'm just going to hit the button. I'm going to go. Oh my God. Okay, 1 second. That was boost. I'm going to start off with eco mode. Now, I want to show you guys. This is my carpet. There is a little bit of dirt over here, and I'm gonna just try and see if I can hoover it up. Ready? This is eco mode. It's nice. It has this like robotic sound to it. When you turn it on, after a couple of seconds, it goes. Let me just compare the two together. So right now I'm comparing the eco to the V6. I'm gonna see which one feels harder for me. But let me just say something to you guys on the outset. The V6 is actually much louder than the V11, and it doesn't, I might even say it feels the same suction-wise. I'm gonna give it one more shot. I'm gonna switch this over to the auto, or the medium one, and see how it compares. Are you ready? Okay. Without even a shadow of a doubt, this one, the V11, has completely surpassed the suction power of the V6 handheld cordless machine. That is so nice. Now, I want to show you guys one little trick, okay? This is what I learned. So, if you go into the head of this, you can actually select what your carpet's like. So if, for example, you've got like a hard floor, you can go down to here, or if you've got a really thick, shaggy carpet, you can go all the way up to maximum, and that actually increases the suction. So I'm gonna give that a go on auto mode. Watch the carpet, let's see how it goes. Oh my God, it's impossible! Wow! Okay, that is like a workout. That is so good, I love that. I love that so much. Oh my God, that is like turbo boost. I'm gonna put it onto turbo boost right now and see with the highest suction power and just see what happens. You ready? I'm gonna go in a different area now. It doesn't move. Oh my God, I think I might have broken it. It literally doesn't move because it is so suctionable. Okay, I think with the auto, with the turbo boost, you have to just turn it down one because it just doesn't move and the engine makes a whirring noise. So I'm going to give it another shot with medium pile rug. Now I have to say, I actually really don't like the boost mode because it is just so hard to push I'm not entirely sure what you would use it for. Perhaps for the like really, maybe you like got a kid who's got mud on the floor or something. That's probably what I would use it for. But I'm quite content with using the auto mode, the medium one, on the high suction with the carpet and just like running it through my flat. Are you ready? Let's just give it a go. I love this. Oh my God. Oh, I feel like, oh my God. Okay, two things. One observation is I'm getting a mad arm workout, more than my V6, and I used to think that my V6 used to give me a workout. This is like proper hard. And the second observation is my carpet looks so friggin' clean right now. Look at it. Okay, so I've just been using this now after it's been fully charged, after 4 hours, and just a couple of things that I want to share with you guys. I think it's quite important. So on eco mode, it actually gives you about a 15-minute run time, which is better than my V6. However, what I found a bit disappointing is that on auto mode, on this particular carpet, which is a medium to high pile carpet, the auto mode function only gives me about 20 minutes. That for me is kind of disappointing because I was hoping that I would use the auto modes all the way through this apartment, and to be honest, my V6 was giving me 20 minutes as well. So in terms of the duration, 20 minutes versus 20 minutes, it's upsetting. It upsets me because I thought I was going to be getting 60 minutes on the auto mode on this particular carpet. So for myself, I'm just resorting to using the eco mode at the moment, which actually I have to say is pretty good. It gives you a good run time, 50, 40 minutes. One thing to note is that if you do have a high pile carpet like myself, moving how the bristles actually are in the Dyson head tool is actually really important. So, for example, when I put it on the minus, which is no real suction at all, it actually allows you to run a higher time with the power. So it gives you a good 60 minutes. If you go down to the middle option, it's about 50 minutes in duration. And then going down to the super high suction, it goes down to about 40 minutes. So for myself, 40 minutes on that super high suction is actually really good. And I just want to show you guys, just take a look at all of this dust that's collected. One thing about that, right? Before I even got this, I did a quick super round with my V6 literally in 2 days after I vacuumed the flat with the V6. That's how much dust has come out. One thing that is to note with the V11 is this one does have a HEPA filter. So that means when it sucks up the air, it gives off nice, clean, purified air. Now, whereas perhaps its predecessors may not have given that clean off air, and instead it could have just been releasing that dust back into the air, making it more dirty on the floor. So that could be a reason why I'm getting so much dust out of this vacuum. Woo! I love it. It's so addictive. Once you realize how much dust there is in your property, you just think to yourself, that could have been inside my lungs. Instead, that is inside this nice canister. I love it. It's disgusting, but it's also really rewarding as well. All right, got to clean up the rest. So that's enough about the testing, and I have to say I do really love this new V11 Absolute. I thought it was going to be super heavy, but it's manageable. Like the most time you're going to be just rolling around the floor, so it's not too bad, and it does give you those nice guns that you're looking for. Yeah. But guys, real talk now, this one is about 4 times more expensive than the V6. So yeah, take what you will with that one. I had the V6 for probably 3 years now, and so many Dysons kept getting renewed, the V7, the V8, like it just went on and on and on, the V10, and I was like, nope, don't need it, because it was so much more expensive. And I was like, you know, I'm happy with this. It's nice and light, it does the trick. Why would I want to upgrade? Until I met this guy and I was like, you know what? This is it. This is what I want. This is what I want. And what beats all of that is the emptying of this machine as well. It is so much more convenient than the V6. You literally just press this button and out comes all of the dust. But, oh, hello, baby. The sound, that is another thing, guys. Okay, I wasn't aware of this, right? But I always used to think that my V6 was quiet. But literally, up until this moment when I just tested out right now, it has this really high-pitched, scratchy noise. And it's really hard to forget that noise when you're comparing it to this, which feels like a nice low tone. Just take a listen. Nice, right? Now listen to this one. It is so uncomfortable. How was I even using that for 3 years? How? How? Now this V11 does come with a whole bunch of other accessories, so you do feel like you're getting value for money. Whether or not you're going to use half of them, it's up to you. I personally had also an extra kit with this one, and quite frankly, I probably only used this main piece and probably one other piece afterwards. So take what you will with that. If you want to use it, it's there. It's a bit of fun. Why not? It feels like value for money. But I have to say, Dyson have done a great job. They always do good quality vacuum cleaners. This one, I have to say, is my favorite right now, and I adore it. I'm not going to return it. I'm going to keep it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay guys, I hope you found that video useful, and if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to drop me a line in the comment section below. And what do you use to vacuum your house? Do you have one of these? Do you have one of these? Or do you have something entirely different? I would love to know. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time. Mwah. Hello baby, I love you so much. I do. I want to clean you all day and night. Yes I do. Yes I do.